Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about Amazon stock. So guys, I'm here to show you all right. So to try to figure out what is the background of the stock of for these fundamentals of the company who have to come back in and manipulate their numbers to convince you that this is going to go now. I don't do that. I come to and look at what people have already done with their own cash. Every time somebody comes into the market, guess what they got, either buy or sell. Whether is the person who can only buy one share, or the massive conglomerates of finance institution who come in and buy millions of shares. All of their idea is already here on the chart. So why do I need to focus in on earning and revenues and inflation and recession and supply chain constraint when all I had to do look at what everyone else is trying to do, put their own money. Yes, that's how you are able to win this. That is the competitive events that we have amongst everybody else in the market, and I stand on that. I have been doing videos here consistently day in, so you all that you don't have to focus in all of the nonsense. Price is in the news. What people do on every trading day, that is actual news that we need to be paying attention to check it out. You guys want to join me, hit the like button. But said it will also subscribe here to my channel. So guys, I would also definitely recommend if you tap that bell in the case, because you do not want to miss out of my content. I am ahead of the game, and I want you all to be ahead of the game too. So look, I did a video in Amazon. So guys, we are here to make the money. That's everyone objective in the stock market, is to make money. Now if you are trying to make money in the next 50,000 year, then hey good, and if you can make money on a shorter time frame, then why not? Why do you want to hold the style for 5 year if you could come through it's constantly make 9% to 10%, or even if I were to get on the last trade of yesterday 23% consistently. This is what I am talking about. I don't understand why people want to come in and hold stock for 5 years. They are only telling retail investor to hold these stock for 5 years. These other companies, these has fund that don't hold these style. So for 5 years they come in, make the money, and they move out. But they want the regular individual to come in and hold a stock for 5 years, and nobody has of yet has gain the attention as to where in the world do they get 5 years from. I like that's a magical number for 5 year. Why not 7, 1, 9, 10, 1 or 13 year? Like, why is it always 5 year, 5 to 10 year? Take it out. We are down right in Amazon. So obviously, can we see the price further fall? Of course we can. That would be crazy for someone, and not to say that when we have already seen Amazon fall from the high of November 1920 21 43%. Likely we have already seen this value of this stock for 43%. So now you are going to start the C video of you to return you coming in by the dip. This is what they are going to do, and look how far the market in Amazon has gone. Like we are literally standing at the top of the mountain, and we are trying to make our way down, way back down. And so there's no question as to how low this price can go in Amazon. So I will crossing you to be buy on those days. Especially we still see weakness. Okay, Right here is one of the initial basis of support is going to be, we will want to see buyers hold these level in Amazon. Now look at that. That's so going forward our attention need to be on us looking at buyer coming in market here, because if the buyer are coming into the market right here in Amazon, guess what we need to be buyers to, just that if the buyer are not coming in at that price, we should not be buyer. It's just that simple, it's not hard. Now let's say that the buyer don't hold $2050, then where do you think the next level would be? Where do you think it will be? 1600. I will go with $1600. That would be the next level for us to come in and try to find his support, for us to try to come in and find the buyer. Okay, so we got 1700 and $1600 for us to try to find buyers. We are in free fall. Look how fast the market in Amazon film. We are in free fall. This is Amazon on the 5 weeks, and look at this last 5 weekly price warrant for us to think that the market is done falling. It's crazy. This 5 weekly price bar tell us that there's still a lot of individual people, company selling this, not like they don't want the price up. They are no more basically what this file would be principle look like. They don't want to hold it up there. Now let's say that we were to see price in Amazon show some strength, but this is not one of those environments to waste that I am holding to his $4,000. Again, this is the totally different environment in Amazon. Things have changed. This is not the same market to where we saw a massive run up in Amazon. What about on 5 months? Look at that, we have 7 more days and 9 hours left, and we are definitely over the last 5 months. This is what the price war look like. So now I am going to expect the price in Amazon to continue follow them. I'm going look forward. We may not have further to follow them, right? Let's keep it real. Just keep it a book. Buyer could actually come around $2,000. That's the best outcome that we can get from this massive decline that we have seen recently is for the buyers are coming around $2,000. The worst scenario would be for us to break the trend will be us to break this long term trend in the market in Amazon. The dynamic has changed. It has massively changed. The market is telling us that the people who are involved in Amazon is telling us that they don't see the market the same as once they did back in 2015, 18, 19, 20, 21. They don't see the market the same anymore. Something changed, and until we see buyers come back into the market, we have to expect that Amazon going to continue to fall. So the first price target, like I said, is that what 2000. That's give us still 7 and 3/4 of recent moment to the downside. That is the best outcome. Like I told you earlier, that's the best outcome. The second price target you guys can't remember as was around $1,700. Okay, so guys, I'm telling you now, made it 24 2020 2022. All right, I am done. Go ahead and drop me your price with it and your price target into the market in Amazon. Go ahead and let everyone know where do you think participate, because this is where I am looking forward to go. Make sure you maintain a profitability and is always